Welcome back everyone. In this video, we will be learning about definite and indefinite articles. Articles are used before nouns or nouns equivalent and are a type of adjective. There are certain situations in which a noun takes no article. There are two types of articles, definite article and indefinite article. The definite article the is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of the noun is known to the reader. The indefinite article a or an is used before a noun that is general or when its identity is not known. A before a singular noun beginning with the consonant sound. And before a singular noun beginning with the vowel sound. Now let's learn about count and non-count nouns. Count noun refers to the items that can be counted and are either singular or plural. Non-count noun refers to the items that are not counted and are always singular. This table shows the difference between count and non-count nouns against the three different types of rules. Rule number 1 is specific identity is not known. A and an are used as count nouns while there is no article in the non-count nouns. When specific identity is known, we use the in the count and the non-count nouns. And when all things are general, there is no article used. So the rule number 1, specific identity is not known, use the article a or an to indicate any non-specified member of a group or category. For example, I think an animal is in the garage. Use the article a or an to indicate one in number as opposed to more than one. I own a cat and 2 dogs. Rule number 2 is specific identity known. Use the article the when a particular noun has already been mentioned previously. For example, I ate an apple yesterday. The apple was juicy and delicious. Use the article the when the noun refers to something or someone that is unique. For example, the theory of relativity, the 2003 federal budget. Rule number 3, all things or things in general. Trees are beautiful in the fall. All trees are beautiful in the fall. He was asking for advice. He was asking for advice in general. I do not like coffee. I do not like all coffee in general. Thank you for watching our channel and don't forget to subscribe.